All right, so we should really talk about what you think is a good paint job versus what's a solid car. It is rust-free, but it's riddled and dense that no one fixed properly. Down this entire side, I think the only thing we can keep is the fender. The door is damaged, the handle's damaged, it's bent in real bad. It's actually got a big bow in it. The bedside has massive, like, baseball-sized dents in it, and all they did was fill it in. So the paint job looked great. As a matter of fact, when you look at the hood, you'll see how the body and the paint used to look before we started stripping it down. But you'll also see the fiberglass hood and how badly dented it is. So fiberglass and the sun don't always mix, and that's a result of sitting out in the sun in Phoenix, Arizona. Pretty bad. When you come down here, so on the rocker panel here, this was all straight and it looked nice, but you can see I can almost get my finger between the straight edge and the rocker panel. This is bent in badly and pushed up, so you can actually see the inconsistency of the gap to the door even. So we had a clue something was wrong here, but just didn't realize how bad this actually was. So this truck was sold as a good, clean, great build, and all we've been finding are problems that are costing a lot. You can even see how many layers of paint, and how many paint jobs this thing's got. It's bad. When you come over to the quarter panel, that's definitely not something I would have bought. Bummer. Basically, what you think might be a solid car may not be. So that pre-purchase inspection is definitely worth it, because we could have found these kind of things before it was bought and totally advised against it, saved them money. Now we've already into a project that now we can't really turn back on, but we have to fix it because of what their goals are with the project. Hey, Stromer, are you going to do anything to help around here? No? He's management. That's upper end management right there. He's got a bright future. Check this guy out, dude.